Hello students, this is a passive voice tutorial. To begin with, here we have a sentence in active voice. I go to the gym every day. I wonder what the passive voice version of this sentence is. Let's take a look. Uh-oh, there's no such passive voice version. Why isn't there a passive voice version for I go to the gym every day? Oh, naturally, there is no direct object. So, what is needed to rephrase an active voice sentence into passive voice? You got it. Of course, a direct object. So, let's go again. Here's an active voice sentence. The police arrested the bank robber. And yes, there is an underlined section here, the bank robber, which is a direct object. Well, if you ask the question, who did the police arrest? The answer will be the police arrested the bank robber. They arrested the bank robber. So there we go. And of course, here's the passive voice version. The bank robber was arrested. You can see here printed in red, the bank robber was arrested, and you see a section which is underlined, the bank robber. If you remember, the bank robber was the object in the active voice version. Here is the passive subject. By the police? Now then, the important thing here is the action, not who does it. How to rephrase active voice into passive voice? Let's take a look at the procedure. The object of an active sentence becomes passive subject. So millions watched the show. The show is the object. The verb to be is used in the same tense as the verb in active voice. The show was watched by millions. Was is conjugated in the past simple tense, same as watched in the active voice version. The verb to be is followed by the past participle of the verb in active voice. If you remember, the verb in active voice was watched. Watched then was past simple. But here, this ed form is not past simple, it's past participle. So the show was watched by millions. The subject in active voice becomes agent in the passive voice structure. The show was watched by millions. Remember that millions was originally the subject in the active voice version. When is the agent preceded by the preposition by necessary? Now then, that's another story to be continued.